Let me put in the kid's steak first. There she goes. Oh no, I said good too. Gosh darn it. I was waiting for someone to say delicious. Oh, my wife just got something in the mail. Who's it from, sweetie?
Messina, Treasures of Samoa.
Cool, let's open it up. Hello, for love, everyone. So glad that you could join us again. Me, Aseka, and Maka are here at a roller skate. I think it's called Skateland. And my daughters already went up there. They're meeting some friends here to do some roller skating. I don't think Mama is going to do some skating today, but I'll go in and give it a try. It's been a few years since we've did something like this, but we're glad you joined us. And afterwards, when we get home, I'm gonna make some New York strip steaks out of cast iron skillet. Mwah! It's gonna be delicious. Trying to catch my 14-year-old acapella. She thinks she's fast. She ain't fast. We turn around here. Woo! You know where Silhouette's at? All right. I probably gotta mute this and re-talk over it because it'll be copyrighted with all this music playing. But this is the skate place. Whatever, not too fancy, but I guess it's a good place for kids to come and blow off some steam. There's Silhouette. She's learning to go backwards too. Let's see if I can film myself while I skate. I don't know if you can see that. Oh. There she goes. She's pretty fast for someone that hasn't skated many years. Of course, I used to skate forever when I was a kid.
Birthday parties. If somebody wants to give you the child's name, to do a shout out during the hokey pokey, I will gladly take your name and how old they are.
Oh, my wife just got something in the mail. Who's it from, sweetie?
Messina, Treasures of Samoa.
Cool, let's open it up. Maka's also waiting to see what it is.
Boy, it's complicated.
Well, they probably packed it good. It says fragile, so that's why they want to have it wrapped good. Need my knife?
Hang on. This is the weirdest wrapping ever. Oh, look. Oh, I might.
What's it say?
Funny Popo Patrol.
Let me see. Aw, isn't that cute?
It is very cute. With a red cross.
Let me look again. Oh, that is cute. My wife does love Pani Popo. And that's a good size one too. That's like a large size coffee mug, huh? Let's see, does it feel very... Oh yeah, it's sturdy and heavy. Oh, mommy likes those. All right, baby.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, bye everyone. Back to the video. So we just got home from the skating rink. I hope you had fun watching that brief fun that we had as a family. And it is pouring rain and windy as heck outside, so I'm bringing everything inside to cook. Let me show you what I got. Guess what? Here's my setup for what I'm going to be cooking. We're cooking some high quality New York loin strip steaks. And of course I have some onions and mushrooms cut up. I have the cast iron stove and the camp stove in here because the kids and everyone says the steak tastes the best cooked over this propane stove with a cast iron skillet, and I totally agree with them. And I got all the other essentials. I got my little light, pepper and salt. That's all you need when you're cooking a steak this good. A little chunk of butter maybe, and some onions and mushrooms cut up. And meanwhile, I'm also making some sufai for my wife. She wanted a big pot this time. You've seen me make this before. So this is 8 ripe bananas. And of course we got to double all the other ingredients. And I'm going to be making some mashed potatoes and gravy for the kids as well. Alright, let's get started. First thing we do is turn on the burner. We light the match first. Just turn on a little gas. There we go. Alright, let's start cooking. Okay, while we wait for the pan to get nice and hot, and put in some olive oil in there. And I'm not going to bore you with showing every second of me cooking, but we will show you more eating. I think that's what you guys enjoy. Well, the oil in the pan feels pretty hot. Let me put in the kids' steak first. I know every family's different, but I always feed my children first before I ever touch a bite. Okay, the only thing we add is some pink Himalayan salt. We like the heavy grain. With these fine quality steaks, you want to use the heavier grain salt. And then the cracked fresh pepper. And trust me, that is all the seasoning that you're going to need. Oh my gosh, it smells delicious in here. Let me turn them over. Oh, got a nice sear on that one. Believe it or not, my kids, even though they're young, they like medium to medium rare, so that's kind of unusual for little kids, I guess. And of course, more cracked pepper on this side, and some more Himalayan pink salt on this side. There we go. We'll just wait till it's done, and then we'll let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. What we're also going to do is add a little bit of butter, let that melt, and then we're going to ladle it over the steak while it cooks. So the pan's getting quite hot, so I'm going to use a little towel to get some of that butter and grease. Oops! I do that every time, don't I? Oh yeah, look at that. Just letting the butter take a bath on that steak. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I wish I had 10,000 steaks and all 10,000 people who are watching. Just kidding, probably like 5. But whoever's watching, I would love to make a steak for all of you. Okay, the kids are now resting. My 14-year-old also likes a little bit of mushroom, so I'm doing that. And it's time to put me and Mommy's steak in. Here's Mommy's steak. Whoop, popping. And here's Daddy's steak. Look at all the marbling and the fat. Oh, you know what that means. Fat means flavor. Okay, I've flipped over my wife's and mine once. I'm going to add the butter now. We have mushrooms and onions. And I'll be honest with you, this is the one time that I use real salt on my steak. I normally use no sodium salt, but this time I'm cheating. Oh yeah. We'll see when it's done. All right, the kids' place is done. My 14-year-old acapella, she likes mashed potatoes and gravy. And yes, this is not real mashed potatoes, but this is their favorite. I told them today was their day. That's why we went skating, and they get what they want to eat. So this is my Pepe silhouette. You can see that my hands are clean, so they like it medium rare. She doesn't like anything on her potatoes except to dip them in ketchup. And here's my wife's. She likes hers more medium well or medium. And we have the caramelized onions and the mushrooms there. I'm going to go get my plate. Let's start eating. I'm going to set this up while I get my plate ready. I think Silhouette tried the steak already. How is it?
Good.
Good. Wow, that's high praise. It's better than bad, right? All right. Just waiting for my wife, and I'm going to cut up my stuff.
Mom.
Maka can smell the meat. She's hungry. Let me know how the steak is if it's done right.
Hi, baby.
Hello, you don't want any steak sauce or anything?
No.
All right. Here, my wife likes the gristle too, so I give her my gristle. Not a huge gristle fan, but I know Mommy loves it.
How is it, Mom? It's good, honey. Very good.
Oh, I went from good to very good.
Excellent. Really.
What was your funnest part about the skating rink, Silhouette?
Doing the race.
Doing what?
The race.
What age group did you have to race with?
12 and under. Hella went in 12 and under when she's literally 14.
There was nobody in the 13 to 17.
Yeah, I was 13.
Yeah, there was nobody.
Yeah, there was.
No. No, I think Chipshot Street there wasn't.
What about your friend that went with you? You could have raced him.
You can't skate.
I know he probably would have went around him twice before he did one lap.
They
I'm
didn't
glad
even
you-
make it 2 laps.
Oh yeah, they should, huh?
No, they only made it who went around the cones first.
Yeah, I'm saying it's just one lap, right?
Yeah, it always is 2 laps.
I know,
No,
weird,
it's
huh?
not. It's always one lap.
No.
Yeah.
Ah, finally, I get to eat. So I love steak sauce with mine. This is like an A1 knockoff, but it's good. But I always try it first without it. Good, good. Oh no, I said good too. Gosh darn it. I was waiting for someone to say delicious. Maybe not this time. But that's okay. Steak is still steak, right?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Have to be thankful for everything we eat. There are people out there right now with nothing to eat. And there's Mommy's, ow. There's Mommy's giant bucket of suafai. This is only one. We're just letting it cool down a little bit so she can eat some after dinner. We have 2 buckets though. That big 8 bananas made quite a batch.
Oh.
It's working. We were trying to do the voice activation, and so I was like, "Go, Pearl!" And it beeped. It came on. Too funny. So, did you have friends with you today that showed up at the skating rink with us?
Yeah. Yeah.
Are they your friends from school?
Yeah.
From church? Did you meet them at the homeless shelter? Where do you know them from?
School.
Oh, okay. For some reason, I could never get past gristle. I can't do it. I'd eat it if I had to. But the puppy, Maka, loves this kind of stuff, so I'll save some for her.
Actually, on Friday my orchestra teacher showed us a new song.
Oh, for what, your violin?
Yeah.
Oh, very cool.
For our concert.
When's your concert?
No idea.
How's gym class doing? Are you doing better? Don't want to talk about that part?
It's okay. In gym, we had to do testing. So, like, we had to do, like, curl ups the mile,
Oh, okay.
long cross, and short cross.
Hmm.
I'd say the mile and the long cross was the worst.
Yeah.
It was like a big, you know the one at the park, like the big field?
Oh, the big field?
I'm done.
All right. Do you wish to be excused from the table, madame?
Yes.
Let me think about it. Ioi, you may alu from the table. She's crawling under the camera. Yeah, face fua, doofy.
Pella,
No.
here.
No.
Here.
No.
What?
For the doggy.
For
I
a
don't
dog.
wanna touch that.
She won't touch it.
I'm good.
I love when onions and mushrooms are sauteed in the grease and butter of a steak. It's so good. I'll be glad when you get older and you like to try mushrooms and onions. I know in a video coming soon, all the girls and my wife promised they would do a hot wing challenge. And they are typical, do not like spicy, so it should be quite funny.
Well, I don't.
I know, mommy don't either though. Acapella is okay with it, but we'll see. I'll make it an even contest.
Dad, I'm gonna touch it.
Sure. What do you say?
Please.
What do you say in Samoan? Okay, go
Fa
ahead.
moi moi.
What?
Fa moi moi.
Mole mole, but that's close enough. There you go, sweetie.
I'm done.
Okay, sweetie. You had enough?
Yeah.
Do you want to be excused from the table?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not going to eat your leftovers.
Fa moi moi.
Please eat them? Okay. All right. Love you, sweetie.
Love you. Bye.
Bye. Say bye to the camera. Go ahead, you can walk past it. It's not a laser beam. Do you have enough to eat, sweetie?
Very, yes. I'm very, 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 very excited about my suafai. So I being very... I can't help it. I'm addicted to it.
Yes, she is a suafai junkie. I had never made it to the last time you saw it on the video. And now, I can't record it. I don't have enough batteries to record how many times I've made suafai since a few weeks ago whenever I made it. She loves that stuff. How do you make it? How do you eat it? Just plain?
I put sugar in it sometimes. But I do definitely love buttered toast with it. I gotta have buttered toast with it.
And you dip it
I
in?
dip it in my suafai, yes.
Oh, okay. Huh. So is it always
If you've never had buttered toast with your suafai, you gotta try it because that is just yummy. Just yummy. Yummy, yummy. At least to me, it's yummy. So,
Well, believe it or not, I think all these steaks were a little bigger than what any of us could eat. So, we're signing off for now. All right, so we're going to wrap it up here. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I am still amazed. I mean, what is it now? It's early April or springtime. And the support has been overwhelming. So much aloha to all of you who watch. Even if you don't like what I cook, or you know I cook it wrong, I still love you for watching. So thank you so much. My wife and I sure appreciate it. God bless everyone. Till the next video. In exactly 3.5 days from the time this video came out. All right, until next time.
Fa.
Tofa se fua. And peace.
Bye.